Hello, I'm Christoph Conrads. Lightning Web Components combine web standards with the power of metadata to give you awesome productivity, and that's what we'll look at in this video. So we are still using the recipes sample application that is part of the sample gallery. In this recipe on the right, we have a form that you can use to view or edit a contact. So let's edit that contact. The form automatically knows which UI element to use to represent each field. For example, if I wanted to change the account, because it's a master detail relationship, I would be presented with some kind of a pickup list. The form also automatically performs data validation. So for example, if I enter an email address that's not right, I will automatically get an error message. So this form is pretty simple, but it's also pretty powerful. It works in view and in edit mode. It knows which UI element to use for each field, and it performs data validation. Let's take a look at the code. As you can see, we are using Lightning Record Form, which is a base Lightning component. Because it is metadata aware, all we have to do is to specify the list of fields. We don't have to specify individual UI elements for each field. Now, where do we specify that list of fields? In the JavaScript file for that component. Let's take a look. So here you see that you can use the ECMAScript import syntax to import schema elements. In this case, we import all the fields that we want to see in the form. And that is a huge win because it gives you referential integrity. That means that if you're trying to use a field that doesn't exist, you'll have a development time error instead of a runtime error. And it also means that nobody will be able to delete a field that is used in code. Once you have imported the fields, you can just create the fields array. So this recipe demonstrates how you can reference your model statically, which again gives you referential integrity. But there is a similar recipe called Record Form Dynamic Contact, where the model is defined dynamically, simply using strings. Remember that if you reference your model dynamically, you won't have referential integrity. To summarize, base Lightning components include metadata-aware components that you can use to view and edit records. It's all powered by the Lightning Data Service. You can reference the model statically or dynamically. And referencing the model statically is recommended for most use cases because it gives you referential integrity. You can learn more about Lightning Web Components by completing this trail mix. Thanks for watching.